Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we are decoding the labels on your favorite clothes. You've seen them, the ones that say 60% this, 40% that. We're going to figure out what those percentages really mean for you and your wardrobe.
Okay, let's just dive right into this. You have definitely seen a tag like this before. Maybe it's on a crisp new kurta or a beautiful sari. It's everywhere. But what does it mean? Is it better? Is it worse? Or just different? Let's unravel this little mystery.
So, to understand the fabric you're wearing, we've actually got to go back to the very beginning. Every single piece of fabric starts its life as yarn, and it turns out there are a few key ways to think about yarn.
Now, while there are lots of different classifications, the one we're really going to focus on today is all about the ingredients, the fiber composition. And this brings us to the two main characters in our story today, pure yarns and blended yarns. All right, first up, let's talk about the simplest kind of yarn, the one we all feel like we know pretty well. This is really the foundation of so many classic fabrics we love.
The beauty of this is its simplicity, right? 100%. That's it. It's made from just one single ingredient. There's no mixing, no funny business. Think of things like 100% cotton, 100% silk, or even 100% polyester. It is purely and simply one thing.
And this leads us to the perfect example. Just imagine your favorite soft, pure cotton kurta. It is an absolute dream to wear on a hot day, right? It's so comfy, so breathable, but let's be honest, you wear it for an hour and it looks like you've been wearing it all day. Those wrinkles, that is the classic trade-off of pure cotton.
So to solve problems exactly like that super annoying wrinkling, textile science came up with a really brilliant solution. It's a way to get the best of both worlds. Okay, now this is the crucial point, right here in the definition. Mix together before spinning. This isn't just about weaving a cotton thread next to a polyester thread. No way. The real magic happens way earlier. The raw fibers themselves are literally mixed together into one big fluffy pile before they ever become a single strand of yarn.
So let's see how this actually works with probably the most common blend you'll find on any clothing tag. This is the partnership that has pretty much defined modern everyday fabrics.
And this table just illustrates the why of it all so perfectly. On one hand, you've got cotton. It's soft, comfortable, and absorbent. Fantastic. But it wrinkles if you even look at it wrong. Then you have polyester. It's incredibly strong, super durable, and it practically refuses to wrinkle. The downside? It's not as breathable. So each one has these amazing strengths, but also some pretty clear weaknesses.
So textile scientists basically decided to play matchmaker. They said, okay, let's take the comfort of cotton and add the strength of polyester. They mix those raw fibers together, and then they spin them into one single unified yarn. It's an incredibly intentional process, designed from the ground up to create a fabric that performs way better than its individual parts ever could on their own.
And there you have it. The result is that perfect daily wear kurta, or that easy care sari. You get that soft, comfortable feel of cotton against your skin, but you also get the strength and, most importantly, the wrinkle resistance of polyester. It's a fabric that's comfy enough for a long day, but won't look like a crumpled mess by the time you get home.
This quote just nails it. It perfectly captures the entire reason blends even exist. It's all about teamwork, combining strengths to cancel out the weaknesses. That is the core philosophy behind that little tag on your clothes. Okay, this is all great science, but how does this knowledge actually help you the next time you're out shopping, trying to decide what to buy? Well, it really just comes down to this. You match the fabric's properties to what your day looks like. For a lazy Sunday at home or a really hot summer afternoon, yeah, maybe that super breathable 100% cotton is perfect. But for a long day at the office, a day of travel, or for a sari that you need to look crisp all evening long, that cotton polyester blend is going to be your best friend.
And that is the key takeaway here.
Neither pure nor blended is automatically better. It's all about what's better for the situation. Understanding that label, well, it just empowers you to make the perfect choice for your own comfort and your own lifestyle. So the next time you're looking at a clothing tag, you won't just see a couple of numbers. You'll see a story of science and smart choices. You now have the knowledge to read between the lines on that label and choose with total confidence. The only question is, what are you going to choose?